Hi, today my name is Aaron Rofe, and this is Kyle Bean. He'll be enacting as Paul Dodge, the Vice President of Supply Chain for ProBuild, and I'll be explaining the wood industry process of selling white grain wood. All right. So I'm glad that we could finally reach together after calling and being on the phone. Lately, I've seen the industry moving downward with the ProBuild and the lumber that you are supplying. With what I have and what we produce at Belco Forest Product is a very fine white grain wood. The thing that separates us from the competitor is our base customization of manufacturing, and that is what we call recon. And recon is a reconditioning movement which we've put together for our company, is where we set wood in a kiln and allow it to soak in the water, evaporate it, and allow it to set properly so it'll drop away from any wane and bowing that the wood may have over time. What I would like to kind of address today is how we do compete with our competitors. And what sets us aside is our fine grain wood. A lot of the competitors sell a composite style wood that cannot withstand the certain temperatures and the weather climate that we sell in. Now in Eastern Washington, we sell a very fine white grain wood that does produce a lot of bow, but it can withstand a lot of the weather. Unlike LP and a lot of the cement material that they do use in housing, the white grain wood is able to kind of adjust to weather climates. For Belco, we kind of like to address quality, and the reason why I'm here today is kind of to address you with the satisfaction of our quality over our competitor. Now today I kind of want to express the value that Belco can bring. We have a long trustful basis that we follow. We definitely stay on a very fine line between working with customers and keeping them happy and allowing the customer to choose what they want. With that, we kind of give a variety of product line, but through that we give a great warranty for about a 6-year stance for whatever climate or variation of climate that we work with. With that, were there any questions that you may have?
Mainly just how does, how can you guarantee the quality of the product? Is there a warranty? Is there a program that you offer that, okay, if I sell a bad, frame or a bad wood siding that, will the client be able to take it back, or do we have something set up where there's a warranty of the wood, like a 10-year or however long?
Absolutely. With the new recon process, we have an enhanced material that comes with a 10-year warranty. Based off the climate, like maybe Arizona for instance, the heat will cause the wood to bow, and depending on the temperature changes. For this, we supply a 10-year warranty. Through disbursements of a lot of the companies, we make warranty deals that we will be able to reimburse them for any loss in product, or if we need to contact a contractor to give them a new amount of wood, we'll be right on that. And with that, we do supply credit and refinancing.
Okay. And then what is the quality for the cost? How do you compete in the cost of your wood versus your competitors?
To use a competitor, for instance, Woodtone, they carry 4 different product lines where we carry 6. Now, with the specifics of wood, it's ring count and the spacing of knots. And for us, our prime wood, which we would be selling you, is a very selective wood. There are minimal knots, and it is at a perfection in bowing. So there will be no slant, and there will be no skips when it comes to manufacturing the wood. Now with our competitor, they do have a rather less enhanced manufacturing status. They don't use the newer tactics of cutting board and having more of the trend that we fall through with fascia and siding.
Very cool. And then the status of having your wood, how will our company benefit by placing Belco's wood on the shelf?
See, now today we definitely follow a very eco-friendly system of manufacturing. Belco is very known for our manufacturing process, and through it we follow the new trend of going green. With this, we are the top vendor for prime whitewood WB4 SPF wood in the Northwest. And with that, it comes a lot of status, but a lot of liability on our part to keep up with the status that we show.
Very cool.
Well, with that, I would kind of like to conclude on the basis of where it comes into trust between you and I. And this is, seeing that I'm a young salesman, I would like to work along the terms of building a long-term relationship. And through that, there will be mistakes made, but through mistakes, it only builds a business and our relationship stronger. And through that, through our quality, I hope to ensure you a very happy relationship for our future.
Awesome. Thank you very much for your time, Aaron.
Absolutely. Oh, that's not good.
It is what it is, man.